But I didn't know that was Barry's grandson.
Yes. Kennedy Gordy. Yeah.
Oh, no, what, was that his son? And then those guys that did that wild trap music with the wild hair, I think those are his grandsons.
Oh, I don't know.
With Little John, you remember the two biracial guys that were with Little John? They did that party song. I mean, I'm going off the path, but I'm just saying, yeah. I knew that Rockwell was tied with Motown in a familiar, familial relationship. So, but yeah, this is a bad look.
Not a good look for sure.
And this is how the system works. Like you said, let's leverage something against Barry to get him out the picture. While we're 1990, they had black music in a chokehold by then.
Yeah.
But this is how they set it up. 1972. They come along, they say, okay, who do we got to buy off? Okay, Barry's the big player. Okay, let's drop a bag on him. And you're seeing this now with the people selling their catalogs. Everybody's selling their catalogs, This is how they corner the market. And in good business is what you're supposed to do. I'm not a hater, I'm a capitalist. If you can do this in business, it's the point that you shouldn't allow people to do this to you. You shouldn't allow these loose ends to come out and haunt you. Now, Donna Ross is a whole nother story for another day. How, they the same thing they did with Tina Turner against Ike. Not saying that these men didn't do terrible things, but it was a motive there for giving them a platform to air their dirty laundry.
Yes.
All right. So now we got to go back to the Harvard report, because this guy, he is dropping all the inside secrets once he figured out it wasn't a myth. And that's why I always find funny that it was a myth. And then he goes on this podcast, and we talk about Dr. Logan H. Westbrook, the liaison with CBS